Hey everybody, it's Neil. I'm in my hot tub, but check out this snorkel set I got. So, always good to have a nice snorkel. Here's instructions for it. Sorry, my dog likes to put her toy in the water for some reason. Okay, so there we go. So we have this one here. It's got a very mirrored finish on it. Okay, it says this lens exceeds the blah 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 blah. Okay, so it says it's certified for use. Some silica gel. Everything's a little wet. Just dropped it in the water. That's fine. I'll leave it there for right now. I don't want my stuff to blow away. Okay, so there's that. And then we have the snorkel here. Ah, very good. Nice and flexible. I'm gonna say this one here is gonna be really good. So look at how flexible this is. That's gonna work out good. It's got the nice clip with the hinge bracket on it, which is great for if you've used other ones. Sometimes it has that clip and it just doesn't stay on. This one here is gonna hinge on and clip on, which is good. It's got the little ball up here. This one here is nice because you can see it even. So if I'm underwater, it's gonna float up and the water won't go back in there again. So if I do some dives or whatever like that, I don't have to worry about water getting in it. So let's go ahead and give this thing a try. And let's see. Let me first try to fit the mask on. It's gonna be way big to start with. Yes. Hello. Okay. It has a little bit of a darkness to it. You can kind of see it makes everything slightly darker, but not too bad. And then I can put it on this way. I like my snorkel on the right side, but I'm sure you can put it on either side. And here we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and try going underwater. A great field of view, super good. I can totally see everything. Let's try going all the way and see what happens with this. It makes it so you can breathe out, but not breathe back in. That's what that ball does. So this is great. So this is a nice snorkel set. I really like this one here. This is good. I like their little reflective one here. I'm gonna know which one's mine because it has that shininess on it. But when I'm underwater, I don't really see it so much. So it just makes it slightly darker. You can see when you look through this side, you see all the shiny stuff. When you look through this side, you don't see it. Well, I guess if you go that way, you do. But you don't see it. It just looks good. So really nice and nice flexible hose. I really like that as well. So gonna be great. So ready for snorkeling. I'm gonna go on a trip now and go do some heavy duty snorkeling. I love this one. This is great. See anything else come in here that I'm missing? I think that was it. Yeah, that's it. We're all good. So thumbs up for sure.